Welcome to your Knowledge Sharing Pit Stop. Today we will learn about the Cloud Spanner automation and its importance. Cloud Spanner, Autoscaler, an open-source tool that lets you automatically increase or reduce the number of nodes or processing units in one or more Spanner instances based on how their capacity is being used. This will maintain the availability and performance and also bring the cost down during the low demand periods. When to use autoscaling. The benefits of autoscaling include the following. Costs. Autoscaling reduces the compute capacity in your instance. This can help you avoid over-provisioning. When to use autoscaling. The benefits of autoscaling include the following. Costs. Autoscaling reduces the compute capacity in your instance. This can help you avoid over-provisioning. Performance. Autoscaling lets Spanner automatically add compute capacity to an instance when a workload changes or there is an increase in data storage requirements. This helps maintain workload performance objectivity. Autoscaling reduces management complexity. You don't need to monitor and scale the instance size manually. With managed autoscaling, you don't write an application to do these tasks because the Spanner service handles them for you.